didn't like the look of my teeth, so I thought I'd be a bit vain and have it done.
Susan, she came in for a private consultation just to have a little chat. She'd had a couple of dentures that she wasn't happy with in the past.
I had 2 dentures made by another dentist and they both were no good, so I decided that I needed to have it done properly.
She'd worn her teeth quite significantly. The teeth didn't look great.
I didn't like the look of my teeth, so I thought I'd be a bit vain and have it done.
She did some whitening for a couple of weeks and then we built up all of her teeth in composite filling material. And then we made a denture around it. She'll definitely have more confidence with her smile. The teeth have been restored back to maybe almost their original form. I would say to someone who is considering transforming their smile, just go for it, don't sit on it, because as soon as you do it, you will be more confident.